Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to this is JASMY video update. And right now for JASMY guys, we're still looking to continue lower. There's nothing particular interesting at the moment. I'm looking at a lot of flags being made at the moment. Solana is making the flag, FTX is making a flag, but JASMY hasn't really made a clear flag. But Bitcoin is unfortunately on the verge of making a flag or a pennant of a downtrend, and if that pennant plays out, Bitcoin is looking to go to $12,000. So if Bitcoin drops to $12,000, we're gonna get this green box at the moment for JASMY. So it's still in play. More technical targets are coming. I'm out of any trades. I've been out of trades for quite a while. I haven't been trading as before. If you've been following my channel, you do know we used to trade many times in a day. Sometimes we used to trade even 8 different coins in one day, 5 different coins in a day, and time comes when you just don't even trade for a month or for even weeks, because then again, it's just how the market sentiments are, and it's when the market gives you opportunity, you grab it. If the market doesn't give you any opportunity, that you don't grab anything. So I'm not gonna waste your time with talking too much. I'm just gonna give you a quick recap. Move to the downside, sideways bearish rectangle, pop out of it. That's your technical target to that green box at the moment. So buying here makes sense. Buying a little bit, grabbing a little bit of JASMY down there. Doesn't sound like a bad idea at all. So that's pretty much it for this JASMY video update at the moment. I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.